Before I start this video, I just want to tell that if you watch the entire video, then you can get free Discord Nitro. Basically, what you have to do is watch this full video and then go to my server and answer these questions regarding this video to confirm that you have watched it, and then you will be given free Nitro. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Go to the link in description and click on the second link. Then you should be on this website. If you don't have an account, then click on this Get Started button and make your account. Once you are on the website logged in, now you just have to click on this Download App button and download this app for your device. This works for all devices, whether it's a Android, iOS, Windows, or even a Mac. So just start downloading this app for your device. The app is just 26 megabytes, so it should be downloaded fast, unless you have a shit internet. Now, just click on it to start the installing process. They will ask you to accept their license agreement, like the previous app did, so just accept it and then click Next. Now, you got to select the install destination. I am going to go with default, and then let's start the installation. The best thing about this application is that it does not require you to do anything. And I am not even kidding. You have to do nothing on this app to get Nitro. Basically, this app will take just some of your internet that you have, and in return, it will pay you money for that, which you can use to get your hands on Discord Nitro. This means that you can get it without any payment method, and you don't have to spend time complete any surveys either. So allow this app to use your internet and start using your phone or PC like normal. There are many researches on Honeygain confirming the authenticity of it, so don't worry, they are not going to use your internet for any bad stuff.